Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I've filmed, like a year or something. I am so sorry. I have some explaining to do. Let me get my makeup started and then I'll just like talk through this one so that I can just like explain where I've been and what's going on in my life. And I'm gonna create a Valentine's Day look for you guys. So let's get started. I've already done my eyebrows because even though it's been a long time ago, nothing's changed. Nothing's changed, same eyebrows. But I'm just going to start then with my primer. But first, SPF. I've been using this Tatcha Silken Pore Perfecting Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 35. It's like a poreless sunscreen. It's so good. So next I'm going to be going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Even Skin Tone Primer. Yeah, so my Instagram was just not doing as well as I wanted it to with over 200,000 followers. I just wasn't getting the engagement I should have been getting, and so I was putting in like 40-hour weeks creating videos and content, and I was basically like working for free because I wasn't really getting anything out of it. And other than you guys, you know, liking my stuff, and of course I enjoy that, but that doesn't pay the bills, unfortunately. But, you know, after going this long, I started another Instagram account and a TikTok and everything, and it's been growing. And I've just kind of missed doing my makeup. I just wanted to get back into it and see if you guys still enjoy. Next up, I'm going to be using Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in Warm Beige. Gonna do those dotties. I like straight up don't even remember how to film anymore. I was watching myself the other day and I was like, how do you know all these things? It's so weird. I know my lighting's kind of bad right now because I don't really have like a filming spot. I'm just like by a window and then my ring light's on that side. I need to figure it out. I only have a one bedroom right now, and so oh yeah, also I moved out from my parents' house. If you guys follow me on my other accounts, you'd know, but I moved out into an apartment with my boyfriend, and we are just living it up right now. Next, I'm going to put on a little bit of liquid highlight, and I'm going to be using my Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. This is in Do You. And it's almost done, kind of crusty looking. Gotta get a new one. So I'm just gonna dot that around on the nose. I always take a little bit from my cheeks and I put it on the inner corner. And then I'm gonna take this little Blendy Real Techniques brush and just make sure it's blend out. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop blush sticks, and this is in Under Pressure. I'm just going to do a little circle, another circle, and then using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush, I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to try and start incorporating some more like lifestyle videos into my YouTube channel, just because I kind of enjoy doing all of that. I've really enjoyed creating my Chelsea Tress TikTok, and I just want to do more stuff like that, and my Chelsea Tress Instagram. Like, it's more of like a fashion lifestyle thing. I just love doing that as well. And next up, we got some concealer, and I'm going to go in with Smashbox's Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. My dogs are being so loud. I'm going to go in with Light Medium Warm Peach. And if this is a little bit too dark, I'm going to like lighten it up with Light Neutral Olive. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good. And I'm going to be setting this with my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder. It's just like a little bit darker than their translucent regular powder. And then going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A22 brush. Don't judge the dirty, please. Thank you. But yeah, I feel like so much has happened in this past year. I mean, I got my boyfriend's dog. We got another dog, a chameleon. Then I always had my cat. So that's been kind of crazy wild. Having a zoo. but it's fun. I love animals. Setting the nose, upper lip and chin. Okay, I'm just quickly cutting my under eyebrow so that I can set my top lid. And then also setting that top lid. I'm not going to use a eyeshadow primer today. So now I'm just going to set my entire face using the same powder. Next up, I'm going to contour my face using Benefit's Hoola. You know. And I'm going to go in with this little dense brush. It's from the Beige Trends. Under the chin too. Wow, I don't know if it looks so dark in the shadow, but it's not actually as dark as it looks. Next, I'm going to go in with the same Hoola bronzer on this Morphe tapered brush. Wow, the writing is just gone because I use it every single day. And I'm just going to contour my nose. I don't know why that took so long to say. Draw a little line up and out over the nostril line. And then I'm going to make like a little button by going underneath and then over top. And then taking this Carity E28 brush, it's just this little fluffy flat smudger brush. Gonna take more of that translucent powder that I was just using, and I'm just gonna shape out that line. And then on a little dot, tip of the nose and the bridge. Then we're just gonna go back in and carve out those nostrils again. And then we're gonna take that brush we used to set our under eyes and just brush that all away. Next up, for blush, we're gonna go in with Mercier's Blush Color Infusion in Peach. And I'm gonna use this Sigma Duo Fiber Powder Brush F15. It's a little pink, that's how you know it's for blush. Oh god, why did I just put so much on? Guys, help. What the heck just happened here? We just gotta blend that booty out. What the heck? I'm a little bit offended by my hands. All right, and now for the eyes. I thought that a lot of people would have Huda Beauty's Nude palette, and so I thought I would do that. It's got a lot of pretty colors, and I feel like a great Valentine's Day look can come out of this. Since I already set my eyes, I'm just gonna go in with Teddy, and that's gonna be my transition shade. Why'd that get so dark? And I'm gonna take this on my Morphe M504 brush, which is a fluffy brush. Perfect for the crease. And this isn't gonna be any crazy look. It's just gonna be kind of an easy, simple, but just pretty. I'm just gonna go a little bit under my eye with that. Next, using a smaller brush, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush. And I'm gonna go in with Raw. So I'm gonna go into my outer V and into that transition color. I've just kind of been going underneath my eye as well with the excess product, just to really blend that in there. And then using my finger, I'm gonna go in with Daydream. And I'm gonna mix that with Fantasy. Going back in with Raw and just blending that metallic out. And then going in with Teddy as well. Just making sure that it's still